Hi, welcome to Crypto Gems. In today's video, we take a look at Hokkaido Inu coin and study what it is all about, how to buy it, and all that fun stuff. So let's get into it. Please don't forget to check the link in the description box below to find more details about this cryptocurrency.
This is not a financial advice. This video is for informational purposes only. So as per CoinGecko, Hokkaido Inu looks something like this, and I would like to call it as Hawk in this video. And currently it is priced at 0.00000000561, and it has a 24-hour trading volume of approximately 1 million. Over the past 30 days, it has decreased by 82.2%, and over the 24-hour period, it has increased by 1.3%. And here is a quick look at the chart of this coin just to get an idea about how it's performing. So let's see it over the span of months, so since the time it was launched. So as you can see, it was doing like pretty decent till this point, and after that, it kind of spiked up and went all the way up around on 11th of May or something like that. Then it went down for a while, and then it again started increasing and rising to the moon basically, and then it has been going down so far. The all-time high that I was seeing was around at this price, so it's 0 point multiple zeros, and then there is 6919, and the all-time low that I was seeing was 0 point multiple zeros, and towards the end there is 120. So this is the website of the Hokk Cryptocurrency, and it says that it's peer-to-peer automated rewards farming. Hokk is a peer-to-peer cryptocurrency with built-in automated rewards farming or ARF technology. Just hold Hokk in your wallet and watch your balance grow. You can click here to trade it on the Bitrue exchange. Just over here, you can buy and sell it and start trading.
Please don't forget to check the link in the description box below to find more details about this cryptocurrency.
And here are the social media platforms that you can find this currency in. Check out their platforms just to stay updated about the project. When we take a look at the Twitter page of this project, it has a 30k followers right now. It means it's very early in its growing stages. It has not really reached its fullest potential. So that could be two possibilities. It could be a good thing because that means that it is priced lower and it has the potential to go to the moon. Or it could mean that it could go all the way down and you may lose all the money. The safest place to buy Hokk is HokkFi, which uses 3 to 4% slippage. So step 1, you gotta install the MetaMask for the Chrome. Step 2, you're gonna send Ethereum to MetaMask. Step 3, you're gonna connect to HokkFi. And step 4, you're gonna swap Ethereum for Hokk. And all of these are the exchange that you can use to purchase Hokk. Also, don't forget to check the link below in the description box to find more details about this coin and how to make a purchase. So as per the website, the rewards are distributed to holders automatically and in real time. With every transaction, 2% of the transaction value is distributed to the holders. Sit back, relax, and watch your Hokk balance grow. Hokk smart contracts have been audited by leading blockchain analytics firm Decorate.org. Now here we take a look at something called tokenomics and stat, and this is the symbol of Hokk. We have a supply of 100 quadrillion, and the automated rewards farming is 2% ARF. You're gonna click over here to buy Hokk, or you can click on the link we have in the description box below to find more information. So overall, I would say that this cryptocurrency is still under the zone of speculation, and there is no certainty about what's going to happen in the future. But of course, since it's priced at so low, like even if you get like $100 worth of this currency, you're going to have like so many coins, and let's say if the price increases in future, you might have the potential to make a lot of money. So if you want to enter the market, right now is the best time to enter the market because it's at the lowest price. And let's say if in future, if the price goes over here to the all-time high, you will make a substantial amount of profit. But again, there is a lot of risk involved because we are dealing with cryptocurrencies. So please do your own research before investing.
Please don't forget to check the link in the description box below to find more details about this cryptocurrency. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and leave your questions in the comment section below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Till then, take care and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Crypto Gems. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you guys in the next one. Bye.